Hi there, my name is Jane and I'm a clinical psychology graduate student. It was necessary for me to take research methods as a prerequisite to full-time admission into the program. My original approach to this class was mixed. I have a hard science background, so I was already familiar with doing my own research and knowing how to write in a scientific manner. I was, however, concerned that I would find psychological research difficult to interpret because people are so much more complex than chemicals or single-celled organisms, and don't always behave in a predictable and consistent manner. My opinion has remained much the same, but I'm grateful to have taken this class to better understand the variety of research methods that are used in psychological research and how to grasp what is meaningful from psychological data. The most important thing that I have learned in this class is that psychological research is programmatic and cyclical. There's no magic bullet when it comes to research. So expecting to generate perfect data and answer your research questions in just a few studies with a few different samples is not realistic. With time, people and circumstances change, and good research will reflect these changes. We do our best to reduce the limitations to our methods, but in the end, research is an endless horizon of questions and exploration. That being said, this class has taught me how important it is to keep an open mind with regards to research. It is important not to be discouraged by imperfect data or the never-ending questions that my colleagues and I will likely generate surrounding a topic. In graduate school, I will be conducting research of my own, and I know that I won't be able to answer all my questions and the questions of researchers who came before me. However, I'll be able to programmatically conduct research under the mentorship of a more experienced professor, and I'll be able to reproduce the study over time or modify the study to investigate a different or more refined question. This demonstrates the cyclical nature of research. Someone might ask, what's the point? What's the point of research if we can't generate a definitive answer to our question through one experiment? I would answer that humans are dynamic and we live in an ever-changing world. The psychology of humankind won't be the same 10 years from now, and while human nature is a constant, human behavior is not. As psychologists, we have to adapt to the programmatical and cyclical nature of research and embrace the curiosity that research generates.